So a few weeks ago, I made a video of an Atom unboxing. It was an Atom that I got from someone who was a member of the Atari Age forums. And I posted it on YouTube and shared it, and I thought, well, okay, that's sort of the end of that. Well, because my brain is mush, I had completely forgotten that I had put an ad on Craigslist asking for an Atom. And then last week, out of a clear blue sky, I got an email from someone who said he had one and was I interested? And, well, yeah, of course I was. So, having bought an Atom a month ago or so, today I came home with this. Yeah. Wasn't planning on getting another Atom, but when there's one in the box, who am I to say no? So I haven't really looked through this. I did take a quick peek through it before I bought it, just to make sure that all the major components were there, and they are. I do know a couple of things are missing, but we'll discover that together as I do yet another Atom unboxing. This box isn't in the greatest shape, but at least it exists. I don't see a price tag on it anywhere, so I don't know where this was purchased. I always like, seeing the store's price tag on something, just so I'll know the provenance of it. Some packing stuff. The guy I got this from said he got it at an estate sale, and I have a feeling he bought it just because it was such a huge box and he had never seen it before and thought it might be, something valuable. But, well, joke's on him. So we have a Coleco Vision and an Atom computer switch. And a number of cables that I really don't need. I've got the Buck Rogers Super Game Pack and Donkey Kong for the Atari, which is not going to do me any good. Oh, wait a minute, here is Donkey Kong for ColecoVision. So there, I got the pack in. Oh, that was just for ColecoVision, not Atom. Never mind. And Super Action Football, which interests me not the least little bit, but there it is. Here are some manuals. This is clearly not all of them. There's the Buck Rogers manual. And, the Atom brochure. This is Atom supplement instructions. A Samsung registration card, I guess for the TV they used it with. Smart Writer Easy Reference. And I just do, we got another Super Game Pack thing. And another one. And a free gift for you from Atom. But it's empty, unfortunately. So I guess I'll never get my subscription to Atom Family Computing. Here's another Smart Writer Easy Reference Guide. Oh, here we go. Here is my valuable free gift for a subscription to Atom Family Computing, which actually is kind of a neat thing to have, so I'm not mad at that. We've got the revised setup manual. And the Getting Started manual, and the inclusions, additions, and corrections to the setup manual, which I believe there were quite a number of them. So it looks like we may have documentation from several different Atoms. But I don't mind. I love the ephemera, so that's fine. We've got the caddy for the controller that attaches to, whoops, where we are, the keyboard, which I don't have one of these for my current Atom, so I'm glad to have this one. And what am I doing with it? There we go. So there's that. And we've got another controller. That's all that's under there. As I say, there are definitely some things missing, but the major components are here, including the remarkably heavy keyboard. I don't remember it being quite this heavy, but only one yellow key on this, the space bar. I do not understand how these Atom keyboards do that. You'll see pictures of them with just 3 random keys that have turned yellow and whatever. And now we've got the memory console. And before we do that, is there anything else left in here? No, we seem to have reached the end of that, and there's nothing under. Okay. Sorry for the styrofoam noises. Nice memory console. Looks like it's in good condition. Let's pop this open. And oh, looks like the index wheel is in good shape. That's good to know. And I'm not sure, well, I guess I'll find out what revision this is when I go and plug it in. It does have a blue sticker on the bottom. I'm not sure if that means anything. Looks like it says CR. Don't know maybe if this has been serviced or just what exactly that means, or if it means nothing. And we'll find out when I set it up. And we have the Smart Writer printer, which, lo and behold, has both of the tabs on the hold-down bar, which is not something you see very often. Pardon me, there's just the styrofoam sound is going to be unavoidable. I'm sorry. Let me push this out of the way. Maybe that'll make things a little better. And here's the Smart Writer with both tabs and an official Coleco ribbon. Oh, that's a sticker. Oh, that was painted on. And we look to be nice and clean. Looks to be in good condition. I will, as I say, find out definitely. Those caps look okay. Once I plug it in. So again, that is my Coleco Atom unboxing. Thank you for watching. Hopefully there won't be a number 3 coming, but you never know. I'm going to go set this up and see if it works. So stay tuned. I guess I'll be making another video.